stopping back by my channel, and this is part 2 of my Sephora haul. So I have this, and some other things that I had picked up earlier. I guess I'll start off with the things that I picked up from the haul. I went yesterday, like I said before, and I was looking for Huda Beauty. I didn't get it, the palette. I went back yesterday. Unfortunately, it was sold out, and I was like, oh no. So they don't know when they're gonna get it back in, but I did pick up some other Huda Beauty stuff that I was looking at. Okay, so just to let you know, what I'm going to show today, the second and third day of the haul of the sale. The first part was when the sale first started. That's when I went, when I got everything, and then I went back looking for certain things, and then this last leg I went back and was trying to get some other stuff. But anyway, this part was like Huda Beauty. I was looking for Huda Beauty. So when I was there the last time when I got everything, I went and, like I said, I was looking for the Huda Beauty palettes. And you know how they have the little stand where they get you while you're waiting in line. So I usually take a walk around there and see what's out there that I might want. So Huda came out with 4 small palettes. So I was gonna get all 4, but I only ended up walking out with 2. And the 2 that I walked out with was the Electric Obsessions and the Warm Obsessions. Wait, no, the Mauve Obsessions. I was going to get all 4 that day, but what was missing? The Smoky. The Smoky was missing, and I was like, oh. But I knew I wanted them, and I don't know why I didn't get 3 and just wait for the 1, but I picked out the 2 that I thought I would like the most in case the other ones ran out. So the first one I picked was the Mauve Obsessions, and this is a really pretty palette. It comes with a mirror. All the palettes come with a mirror, and these are the colors here for the mauve. And the reason why I picked up these palettes, and they have a magnetic closure. The reason why I decided to pick up these palettes is because I was looking for something for travel. Like, you know how sometimes you go out of town or whatever, and you're running around and you're trying to get this and you're trying to, I need that. I figured these would be good travel companions. They're small, you can put them in a makeup bag and everything, and then you have all your colors. And this is the electric one, and these are the colors here. They're so pretty. So pretty. Yesterday, and I picked these up, and this one is the Warm Brown Obsessions. Let me try to open this. The Warm Brown Obsessions. Very pretty colors. Very. She did good with these. Like I said, I just went and picked them up because I can leave these in my makeup bag in the suitcase and not have to worry about trying to find palettes, because they have, these are all the colors that you need. This is the smoky one for every eye look. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmers and 4 mattes. So with all 4 of these palettes, you can't go wrong. And they were only, what were they, $27? Can't beat that with a stick. So then the other thing that I wanted from her, like I said, they didn't have the palette. I really want that one, but I'm gonna wait and see. I'll probably pick it up online. There were some other things that I wanted online, and I'll get to that at the end of this. But I picked up 3 of the 5 lip kits. Aren't these cute? Hey, how you doing? And I guess these are like what her lips look like, I guess. That was I guess what they did this from her lips. This color is the Muse and Angelic set. And what I really liked about these, let me tell you, I'm a sucker for packaging. If it's odd looking, you know, something that draws my eyes to it, I'm gonna get it. And when I saw these, I was like, man, this is so cute. And then like it has Huda Beauty right here, and then it gives the color of what's in here. And the cool thing about these is that they come with a lip pencil, a lip gloss, and one of the strobe creams. Now she does have a strobe lip kit, and it's like 4. So I have to go and look and see if these are the colors that are in those strobe kits. But I thought I would try these. Very pretty. Very pretty. And this one is Muse and Angelic. Now there are actually 5 of these kits, but they only had 3 in the store. So the other 2 are online. I don't know if they're online exclusives, but I'm going online and I'm getting those because I want them. I want them. So yeah. So the other color I got, and I can't wait to really try this one, is Trophy Wife and Shameless. Trophy Wife and Shameless. And these are the colors. I think I'm gonna try this strobe one. This is Shameless. I think I want to swatch this. See, let me see, these are, now you're looking, this is from part 1, so this is part 2, because I didn't want to make the video so long. So this is Shameless. Oh, look at that. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't think, ooh, don't mind my band-aid. Sorry. I kind of like sliced up my finger a bit, but I'm wearing that tomorrow. I'm wearing that tomorrow. Let me pull out this pencil. See what this pencil looks like. Yeah. Ooh, I like that. And then what Trophy Wife looks like next to that. Okay. I am wearing this tomorrow. And I'm trying to think what the other two colors were online. I think it was one was Bombshell, and it was I think it was pink, and then there was like this brown, I think it was like a brown. I wanted that, but I knew I wanted, if I didn't have these Trophy Wife and Muse, I wanted this one here and the other one that's online. Silver Fox and Enchanting. Now this strobe, I think, is in the lip kit. The kit with the 4 strobe colors. I think this is in there, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna swatch that. I'm gonna swatch that right here. Oh yeah. See, now it's gonna make me go. And this is like a gray, like a gray purple. Look at that. Could you imagine that on top of that? Yes. So that's what I got, and I think these were 30. These were $30. So yeah, with the 20% off, because I don't know if I mentioned it, I am a Rouge, so, and I'm just stacking up points, because I know if something gonna come real good, and it's just November and it isn't even Thanksgiving yet. So yeah. So the last bit that I got, now they hadn't even put these out yet, and I saw them online. They were online, and I had them in my cart. Now mind you, I had everything that I wanted to get in my phone app in the cart. So whatever wasn't in the store, I went through and took everything that I bought out of the cart. Well, when I went in and I was looking and I saw the Anastasia, stuff and everything, and I was like, where's the brush, the blush kits? So here I was thinking like, oh, don't tell me it's an online exclusive. And I went and I asked the salesperson, and they said, no, we don't have it in there. And I'm like, oh, because it was already, I was sad because they didn't have the Huda Beauty palette, but I did end up getting the Sunset palette that was in there by chance. And I don't think a lot of people knew it was there just yet. You're a person that shops Sephora a lot. You usually go in with a list. Like I say, I go in and you have your loves, but when you start putting your loves in, stuff goes to the bottom, and you can refine it by date, but if you're putting it in your cart and you know that you're gonna buy it, it's best to put it in the cart, and then you can just flip down through it and say, hey, this is what, So I was talking to one of the other ladies, and she was like, well, what are you looking for? Something came up to me, and I said I was looking for the Anastasia blush kits. And she says, oh, we don't have those out, but let me check in the back. And I'm looking around, trying to see if there's anything else last minute that I want. And she came out and she was like, which one did you want? And I said, I'll take them both. So I got both of them. This one is Gradient. This is the Gradient palette, and this is the Radiant palette. This is why I like to do this. And comes with the mirror. And oh, okay. I thought it was gonna flip out, but yeah. This is the Radiant. And I think these are nice colors. I think these would go good on my skin tone, just for a light wash of color. Because for me with blush, I don't like a whole lot. I just like just a little hint of color. So I think these will look pretty good on me, and even on medium and fairer tone. So that's the Radiant. And this one is the Gradient kit. Now this kit here, I believe would be great on skin tones like mine and deeper. The colors are so beautiful. Look at that. Now this one here, I was a little confused on, and I know this would be like a blush, but how would I say I'm thinking of that the matte, the color that they use, that sometimes they'll use the contour with, but it's actually a blush. Kind of, I think it's a little deeper than that. I can't, that color escapes me and I have it. But look at that. And this, I'm thinking, I don't know, maybe like a contour color. I mean, you could probably use it as an eyeshadow too. I believe like you could use all of these as eyeshadows, or you know, transition colors or whatever else. This would, I think this would make a good transition. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Something gonna come real good, and it's just November and it isn't even Thanksgiving yet.